Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, today I am going to talk about making questions. So sometimes it becomes difficult to create yes or no questions. So today I am going to give you an easy tips how to remember the easy questions and create Q1. So how to frame a sentence? The rule is subject, verb and object. Now to create a question 1 or yes or no format, the formula is verb plus subject plus object. Let us learn this through some examples. So, she is a student. That's the sentence. And if I want to create question 1 or yes or no question from this, I would say, is she a student? So, whenever you have a primary verb after your subject, so you can only interchange your subject and the primary verb and create questions. Let us take some more examples. They were beautiful. So, question 1, were they beautiful? You are crazy. Are you crazy? So, this creates an yes or no questions. Now, the tip to remember here is what? After subject, what is your verb? If you have primary verb like am, is, are, was, were, will and shall, then you can clearly interchange this two things, subject and the primary verb, and create question 1. I will go to school. Will I go to school? This way. So people, keep watching and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.